Air fryers have become one of the most hyped appliances of the last few years, and they're made out to be a healthier way to cook fried food. But are they worth your money? Welcome to Choosing Better. I'm here with Choice Kitchen expert Fiona Mair, and we're here today to talk about all things air fryers. So Fee, air fryers, they're quite the appliance of the moment, aren't they? But is it true they don't actually fry your food? And is it all just a marketing gimmick?
Well, there is a misconception that air fryers actually deep fry your food, but they actually bake your food, just like an oven. So the way that they work is they have a fan and an element, and that fan distributes the heat through the cavity. The common types are the ones with the pull-out drawer, so you shake the food during cooking, and then you have a type here that is a rotating basket, so you don't have to distribute the food yourself. And they come with different settings and preset temperatures, things like that.
And what types of things would people find them most useful for?
Well, you can cook whatever you cook in an oven, you can cook in an air fryer, basically. So you can do roast, you can do, your oven fried chips, chicken nuggets, grills, things like that.
So, is an air fryer a magic way for me to make chicken nuggets healthy for my kids?
Unfortunately not, Prue. They, if you're cooking prepackaged frozen foods that are highly processed, it's not going to make them any healthier. But they are convenient for busy families to whip up a quick meal, but air fried foods are much healthier than deep fried foods.
Right. Damn. But at least that means I don't have to preheat my oven, right, while I'm waiting to get the kids ready dinner.
No, you don't have to preheat air fryers, but I would recommend preheating it if you were cooking, say, a cake or some cookies, but they only take 5 minutes.
So we've tested a wide range of air fryers in the Choice Kitchen Labs, all different sizes. There's 4 models here in front of us. Can you tell us a little bit about some of these and how you test them in the Choice Labs?
Okay, so every year we test air fryers, and we can test up to 12. We look at how they perform by conducting cooking tests, and we also look at ease of use. So with ease of use, we will look at how easy the controls are to use, how easy they are to clean, how easy they are to assemble. And we also look at energy consumption, and so we can tell you the running costs of them, and we also look at safety. So we will do external heat temperatures to make sure that there's no parts that are becoming too hot, and we'll also check to see if your bench becomes hot.
And you look at a wide range of the top brands as well, so everything from Philips to Ninja, Aldi, Sunbeam, Kmart, and they all come at a huge range of prices, don't they? So everything from as little as $50 up to $600 or $700. Yeah. So as well as price, what do you think people should be looking out for when they're buying an air fryer?
We'll definitely look at the size, because if they're small, they're quite reasonably priced. Digital controls are actually good to look at because they are more accurate than manual controls, especially for time and temperature. And you may want to look at some of the models that have preset temperatures.
So any last words? What's our overall verdict on air fryers?
Well, don't buy an air fryer if you think it's going to make your food healthy, because it won't. But they're really convenient to use. They're easy to use, great for teenage kids. Definitely look at what size you need before you buy, because you are going to have to store it on your bench. You don't want to store it in the cupboard because you'll never use it. And another thing to remember is that if you do have a fan-forced oven, you already have an air fryer.
Essentially the same thing. Thanks, Fee. So as we've talked about already, we've tested a wide range of air fryers in the Choice Kitchen Labs. If you found this video useful, click subscribe for more videos and visit choice.com.au for lots of hints and buying tips, and to become a member to access thousands of other expert product reviews.